everyone. I want to thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, Classic Mercedes-Benz with Pierre Hedary. And I want to let you know that this Tuesday from 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, we're going to have a live broadcast. So you'll be able to ask Pierre questions. And this will be our attempt at hoping to communicate with you guys a lot more and giving you a chance to do a one-on-one with Pierre for about an hour. All right, so please come back on Tuesday evening, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and join us in this one-to-one.